Hey guys, and welcome back to another episode on Lumber Capital Log Yard. Today we're meeting you in our lumber store where we've been coming up with a game plan about how to get our lumber to everyone in the United States. So anyone can buy our lumber, not just the locals.
Yeah, and it's definitely been just the local customers we've been able to supply for these past 15 years, and I think we're ready to expand who we're selling to.
For sure. This has been something a boss has always wanted to do, and now that we are trying to work out how to ship our lumber, this is just completely different than anything we have done. And I know we've talked a little bit about it on the channel before, but there's a lot that goes into it. It's not so cut and dry, simple and easy, and there's a lot to shipping. And if you're shipping something small, it's not that big of a deal, but when you're shipping something like a piece of lumber, well, that changes things. So we're going to talk a little bit about that here today, so let's get into it. We love our local customers, and that's why there will be a 20% off discount in-store purchases for our S4S lumber that we are going to be supplying, able to ship to anyone in the US. So that's great news for all of you guys out there who are woodworkers that love the channel, want to buy our lumber, but 10 hours is a bit of a drive, isn't it? And we understand that. So that's why we are now going to be supplying, like I said, S4S hardwood lumber, as well as some softwood lumber in 2 foot, 3 foot, and 4 foot sections available in lumber packs. And this is actually on our website. We were able to get some stuff up over the weekend. And now if you guys would be interested, you can check out our website, lumbercapital.com, and you can see what we're talking about right now. I'm gonna show you a little bit about what we have here going on. It's not, we're still working it out.
It's a work in progress, definitely. Yeah, I mean, we haven't really done anything like this, so it's all very new and kind of experimenting with what is, the most worth our time and what will be the best and look the best. And, that's a lot. There's a lot that goes into it, so it's in work in progress.
Actually, I did want to show you guys, Grandpa did a really cool cutting board out of some of the it came out of the same log as some of this lumber here that is going to be for sale on our website, or is for sale right now on our website. I'll put it up so you guys can see. You can see you don't really need huge long pieces of lumber to make something like this. It really just takes little pieces, and that is going to be perfect for anyone who knows how to join wood. Man, that's a lesson we could have Grandpa give us sometime. I would love to learn how to join some wood because I don't know how to do that. But I mean, anyone who makes spoons, wood spatulas, cutting boards, this is going to be great for that. Perfect. So a lot of this is very low moisture. We also do have some what did Dad coin it? He has his own term for it. Pennsylvania blue streak. It's that's what he calls the pine that has the blue stain in it, and we have some of that. It's pretty cool stuff. Kind of rare. And we actually do have that available for shipping as well. So let me give you a glimpse of what we've been working on here before I get carried away just in describing it.
These are some of the hardwood lumber packs we have available on our website. Right now we have them wrapped in plastic wrap just to keep them together before we come up with a better way of doing that. We have quite a few different species. Some of this stuff is really beautiful. Just the character is incredible. I'm jealous that this is being sold because I would use it. They're really cool stuff.
Yeah, we have oak with absolutely beautiful rayfleck. This is quarter sawn oak. We have walnut, hickory, spalted maple. We're going to be having some more maple here soon. This is some of the blue stain. You see some of it in there right there. This is more oak with the ray fleck that you see in it, very beautiful character. And then we have cherry, which most of the cherry we have right now that we have planed is all clear, which is pretty cool. It's really beautiful stuff. So yeah, this is just some of the stuff that we have right now that's ready to ship. But it's a lot of work to plane it all and get it all cut down nice and pretty looking. But having something that's not rough cut, it's a new thing for us. Like we've said on a lot of occasions, but we are looking forward to moving more towards finished products, and this is just one little step along the way. Making some slow improvements on the store. Right now there is a hole though, and Grandpa's been working on this. There used to be a window right here, but this is where the climate controlled unit is going to go. That's pretty cool. I can't wait to show you guys when this gets in, but I mean, here's the start. There's a hole now. So once that climate control unit gets in here, we're going to be able to control the climate, no shit, of this room so that we can keep all of the lumber at the right moisture level. So all of that hard work we do kiln drying everything doesn't just go to waste when it soaks up the moisture of the barn, because it's not, I mean, I've called it pretty, I mean, it's kind of damp down here. It's not, I mean, with the brick,
yeah, this
everything.
isn't a naturally dry place by any means.
The upstairs is a different story, but
Yeah.
down here it's a little, it's kind of moist like a basement, like you imagine a basement would be. So yeah, something got all of our chickens yesterday. Grandpa is not happy. Somehow 17 of them went missing, which he, in all of his years having chickens, even a pack of coyotes couldn't take away 17 chickens.
It's the missing chicken mystery.
Yeah, it is, and they were all the babies. Well, teenagers at least. But yeah, Mom's really sad too. Yeah, so sad day, had to share. But anyways, back to lumber. One cool thing that I have to mention is that regardless of where you are in the US, shipping is going to be only about $5. So make sure that you hop on there and take a look at what we have, especially all you woodworkers out there. And if you're not a woodworker, hey, maybe this is your sign to get to crafting with some wood. I think that you can find a lot of purpose in it. It's definitely something that I love to do as a hobby. Even though I work with wood all day long, I still get home and I want to play with more wood, you know, what can I say? So check out our website. Like I said, lumbercapital.com. It's only $5 shipping. May as well try it out. Like I said, these are, this is all S4S, so it's planed all four sides, and it's all really dry stuff, ready to get to working with. So thanks for watching, everyone. I hope that you enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. Other than that, we'll see you back here next time. Bye.